What up, people? I hope everything is well on y'all's end. It seems pretty fired up in this reading. Whoever you is, I'm no professional, just an entertainer. So if you need help, seek help. Yo, you're back to reclaim your throne, bro. Whoever you are. It's like the divine puts you through this spell work to fortify you and have that kindling fire within you. Let's go. Out the bat, Queen of Swords. Someone's ready to reclaim. Yoko, she got that firepower. That big old gat. And you're here to remove the corruption. It says, Asuka, his power is not necessary for our world. Look at that sword. She's like, bring it, bitch. It's been a long time. You've been put through it. You've been intuitively knowing, or going through something, working through something, working in a direction, dealing with the resistance. It's pretty crazy cool because these are like blinds, right? But there's 10 of them. It's like 10 of swords, like the 10 of swords card. They're really trying to dominate you. And they probably have for a minute. 7 of Pentacles, it's like investment. They've been investing on you while you've been investing on yourself, your future. And they're like, no, we can't let the collective ascend. Because if they do, the floodgates are going to open. They're going to cause a disturbance in the spiritual. We've had control for so long. They've been asleep to all our mirror magic and all our projection and all the mind control and the pain for so long. We can't let that go. Right. This King of Wands in reverse. What was that little reptile? If you know, you know. They think you're like, which you are in the spiritual. You're radiant. You're beaming that light. And they're beaming their hate. Casting all kinds of projectional spell work. I'm gonna say it. Look at this. They think they know what they're doing. They've been doing this for a minute. On a lot of people. Look how dumb she is. Thinking she's the fairest. More like unfairest. Look at all those mirrors. I know it's kind of hard to really get the definition. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mirrors. And she's like, oh yeah, that energy is gonna be mine. They may have taken some of your light, when the color changes like that, to me that's confirmation. Swapping their energy out, putting you through the 10 of Wands here. Trying to bind you to some bullshit contract or something, some spiritual contract that you probably were not even aware of. They had you for a minute, a good minute, in sorrow and pain. That's not your energy. You call back your energy from people, places, and timelines known and unknown. And may they take back theirs. The Chariot. The divine carried you through all this. He allowed it to happen to fortify you, to build your courage, to build your heart, to build your mind. But you're ready. Two of Pentacles. We balanced it out. You got your energy back, and now your sword is up. Erect. Dominion, baby. We're here to bring gifts to the world, to enlighten, to raise the frequency, to raise the vibration. And the divine blesses those that stay in the light. That even when it gets hard, that even when you're going through all this pain, He's only using it in His divine way to make you stronger than ever. Like I said, He gives His toughest battles to His strongest warriors. And now we taking out the trash. All that hate. All it did was fire you up. All it does is fuel you now. It's energy. They want to project energy. Their time is now, and so is yours. This conflict, 5 of Swords, you're taking it back. There he goes, back on there. Whenever I do these readings, sir, can't do it right now. And your ancestors are pissed off. It's time to reclaim. You're pissed. Now you know how to transmute that energy into fire. Let's pull one. Let's see. So what's to come of this? What's the outcome of this? Whoa, that's way too many. But you're protected. I saw that 7 of Wands. Just one, please. Ooh, okay, we'll take those. That's what's up. Crud. I'm not gonna show that one yet. But it's the world. We close out the cycle with those evil people. And the 4 of Wands, rite of passage. Let me get a clarification for these two. The world. Yeah, they done. You're not taking it anymore. Because you healed and you heal. She's like the white platelets. Yeah, that's your mission. You know what I mean? This spiritual warfare of good and evil, they don't like that, but it doesn't matter what they like. You know what I mean? 4 of Wands. Oh yeah. Warrior Princess. It fell right like next to the Knight of Swords. Look at that sword. What did I just say? You're like built for this, bro. The divine built you to slay them, bro. We can't say shit. You're too powerful now. Your spirit is way too aligned with the divine. Or it is. It's happening. They ain't taking nothing, bro. You're taking your power back. That's what that is. And you're closing them hoes out for good. Because now you know. It took you a minute. But now you got your power back, bro. Yeah. Powerful here. I love y'all. Stay true, stay lit, stay you. That's the peace sign. And the Most High got y'all. Peace.